got an existing floor plan of the house, calling out setbacks. Basically, this is the street.
Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Tech Talk with Darius, where we discuss the latest and the greatest news in technology. Today we're going to talk about 3D printing and how over the past couple years the emergence of 3D printers has changed. The first time I saw 3D printing was way back a couple years ago with Maine University. They used a 3D printer to show the construction of a home and how they could use biodegradable material to build a home that someone could actually live in. This home was 600 square feet, and the home actually, I think it was a couple, 2 or 3 bedrooms. However, the home was actually 100% recyclable, and since then, a couple companies like the 3D printer construction developer Icon has advanced the 3D printing, and now they're building whole communities in Georgetown, Texas. 3D printing developer Icon has partnered with Lennar Construction to build 100 homes in Georgetown, Texas. These homes prices range from $450,000 to $600,000, and already a quarter of the homes have been sold. I would say these homes are a little different, and like I said, the technology has advanced. They're not using biodegradable material for these homes. They're using concrete, water, sand, and other materials to construct the walls as well as the entire home. So these homes are supposedly can stand extreme weather conditions. Also, these homes are supposedly, at least the walls are water resistant. So these homes have definitely been uh, improved much more than the previous homes that were built with 3D printers. The technology has improved so much that NASA actually wants to use the 3D printer on the moon. So NASA thinks that they can build some construction on the moon, and they'll be able to. I'm not sure if these are homes or anything, but they're going to use the 3D printer icon to build things on the moon, so they can actually maybe store materials or anything like that. So it's pretty cool how it has definitely advanced over the past years. Um, I will show you guys a video of Maine University, the first time I actually saw the 3D printing, and let me know what your thoughts are in the comments. Like I said, these other homes that are being built in Texas, they're much stronger, and they're more expensive, and they're larger. So they're like 3 or 4 bedrooms, but I guess whenever a new technology comes out, I'm still apprehensive of just jumping and running to it. But apparently, some of the buyers are sold on it, so they've sold 25% of the homes there. So that's 25 homes, and and these homes are 450,000 to $600,000. So we'll see how this goes. But let me know your thoughts and comments below. Please like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.
And the United States Senate. We are pleased to unveil the first 3D printed home made of bio stuff. So let's unveil the home. Yes.